Hey everyone, welcome back to day 19 of the advent calendar created for me by Lozzie Creates. All of our information is down below for you. And today's clue is this is a little something I saw and it was unusual but looked cool. I have no idea what it is. Also, I did not try to open it and cheat. It was already like that. I think one of the other boxes got stuck on it, so let's take a look and see what we got today. Oh my gosh. I can already see right away that this is really cool looking. Sorry for the paper there, but it's origami. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I love origami. Again, probably something that I'll do on the channel one day, because that'll be fun. We can learn together. If anybody has origami paper, you just won't have like the little faces and stuff, but still it'll be fun. And this will look cute on my little Ghibli shelf. You can hear the paper shaking around in there. What do you guys think? Let me know down below. Tomorrow is day 20, so we have 4 more days left of the advent calendar, and then we have Christmas. I'm excited. But guys, make sure you're following me so you will be notified when I put up the next one. And also make sure that you are following me on Twitch. Tonight I gotta work a little bit more on the dollhouse, so I'll be on Twitch tonight. That link is down below for you guys if you want to watch me finish making the dollhouse. So I hope to see some of you guys there. Merry Christmas, have a happy holiday, we'll see you soon, bye!